Okay, welcome guys to the next Blender tutorial. So I just did an entire tutorial and completely forgot to plug in my microphone because life is just kicking me in the backside at the minute. So what is it this week? I've had a broken hard drive, something else broke on me. Oh, everything's just breaking at once. Oh, that was it. My phone case decided to fall apart. So I've got a new one coming in the post. Right, so I had a request from one of the people that follows me, and they've asked me whether I can make a chocolate bar, a strawberry, and a banana. Now, the strawberry I'm kind of figuring out at the minute because I want to put all the seeds on the outside, and I'm trying to figure out the best way to do that. The banana, I don't know whether I want it peeled so that you can see the textures underneath, or whether I just want it as a plain Jane banana. So we're going to be doing the chocolate bar today, and hope and I pray that my hard drive doesn't go, because it went last time I was doing tutorials. I've just had a year of bad luck, I really have. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to edit the default cube first. So if you take your default cube, press S to scale. We're going to press S to scale just to squish it down a little bit. And then we're just going to press S to scale just to bring it across to relatively a chocolate bar sized piece. So next what we're going to do, we're going to go Shift D, make a clone of it, and then this is going to be the chocolate piece that we're going to be duplicating all over the bar. So what we want to do, edit mode. So the thumbnail that you'll see on here is actually the chocolate bar that I just made before this. Because it's just, I think it's easier to put that one on, but, you know, if your chocolate bar doesn't quite look like that, sorry, I think that I could do it better this time, so if you guys follow along, it should be a lot better. So, we're going to go E for extrude, S to scale in just slightly, we're going to go with one of those bumpy chocolates, E for extrude again, scale it inwards. E for extrude. I swear someone's just banged on the wall, but to be honest with you, it is 9:30 in the morning and all the school kids have just gone to school, so you know the amount of noise that they make is crazy. So we're going to go S to scale, scale it inwards. We are within social times, so I mean if somebody is, they're just being a bit that's unfortunate. E for extrude, scale inwards. And then we're just going to go scale onto the sides. We want to go G for down. I wouldn't mind anyway, but my neighbours have just made a hell of a lot of noise bringing their kids out of their houses, you know. If somebody is knocking on the wall, and that was for me, you know. Yeah, I don't really know what to say about that, but anyway. So we're going to go E for extrude again. And just scale it inwards so that it's got a nice little smooth part to it. Maybe we just bring it up just a little bit. And then we're going to go for object mode, shade smooth. And we're just going to scale this down. So we're going to go rotate, and we're going to go 90 degrees. Press G, bring it across. Press G, bring it up. Scale down. We'll go to 7. Press 7 on your number pad. It'll bring you to kind of a bird's eye view. Press G. Bring it up. Yeah, I don't like to speak illy of people, but you know, if people are going to be noisy in the morning and then complain that you're making noise, you know, it's kind of a bit I don't know what the word is, but yeah. Ironic, shall we put it like that? So just scale this down. Press G. I mean, it's not like I'm shouting or anything, it's talking normally. Right, so we're just going to scale upwards. Just press G to just align it. Scale outwards just slightly. You can go Shift D, move it across. What you want to do, relatively, if we just go to 7 again, you see this is off center just slightly. Just get this into roughly center right there. I mean, you can scale these outwards a little bit if you wanted to. To be honest with you, I'm just going to get rid of my one. I'm just going to scale this across just a little bit. And then we're going to go Shift D. And just put it on the side just here. Just try and mirror it as much as we can. We're going to go Shift D, bring him down. And then we'll go Shift D, bring them down. So you're just selecting the 4 there. Just press Shift and then click each one. We'll go Shift D again and then bring these ones down. Now you'll notice that we have this huge space at the end here. So just click the bottom there. Just go edit mode. Click the face at the bottom. Press G. Bring it across. And then what we're going to do, so this is our basic chocolate bar. So as I said, I'm trying to get it to look like the actual thumbnail. So what we're going to do, E-fret extrude, just scale it inwards just slightly. And then I think maybe take the bottom part right here, this part, and this part. If you guys are wondering what that noise is, it's one of my neighbours with a strimmer outside. It's just like a little whirring noise. I don't know whether you guys can hear it. What I didn't do on the last bar was I didn't bevel this out at the top. So if we go E-fret extrude and then we just scale it inwards, we can bevel that a little bit so it's a little bit more smoother. Now, right click, shade smooth. And on all of these, they should all be shaded smooth anyway. So we're working in the Cycles engine. So the Cycles engine is right here, under render. What we want to do, the material, we're going to call this cocoa for the chocolate. Let's go with a dark red. It should change absolutely everything to it. So now you can see this is kind of like a dark chocolate kind of vibe to it. So it's a little bit too flat for me. So what I'm going to do, add a little bit of metallic. Just brings the colour up a little bit. Take the roughness. Don't go too smooth, but just enough so that it catches the light. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this light. Lighting's very important. Just go Shift D. Come on. It's taking a while. Shift D. Move this across. G. And then we're going to go Shift D again. And then move this across. What I might do with this base is actually just pull it in just slightly. So that it's even. Scale that in. So that it's flush with all the pieces on the outside. Now you can do one thing that I did in my last one, which was select everything, Control J it, and it'll put all of the chocolate bar together. However, if we did it with this one, so if I just go back to the regular render mode, and I just select absolutely everything. If we go to Control J, we can actually stick all these together, and then you get this kind of look. The only problem is with Control J, once you've done Control J, unless you backtrack and you undo what you've done, I don't know if there's anything that can re-separate any of these pieces. So if you want your chocolate bar to be broken in half, say like you've got an animation or something like that, and you want your chocolate bar to be broken by one of the characters, Control J may not be an option for you, but you could totally put these together if you wanted to. So yeah, that's the tutorial. I had to refilm it, but yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. I will see you in the next one. Yeah, bye.